Hey tech freaks, GadInsider here with a massive scoop. Is Apple about to ditch Siri for ChatGPT on your iPhone? Leaked reports from GadInsider say that Apple's planning a game-changing AI upgrade by 2026, possibly replacing Siri with ChatGPT's insane conversational power. Want to know what this means for your next iPhone? Stick with us. According to GadInsider, Apple's deep in talks to integrate ChatGPT into iOS, potentially phasing out Siri as we know it. Here's the lowdown. ChatGPT, powered by OpenAI, is a beast at natural language, answering complex questions and handling tasks Siri struggles with. Imagine asking your iPhone to plan a trip or write an email with next-level smarts. Leaks suggest iOS 20 or iPhone 17 could feature ChatGPT as the default assistant, running on device for speed and privacy. Siri might stick around as a legacy option, but ChatGPT is set to steal the show. Alongside AI, 2026 iPhones are rumored to pack upgraded cameras with better low-light performance and 120Hz ProMotion displays across all models. ChatGPT could even enhance photo editing with voice commands. This integration can make iPhones your ultimate productivity tool, from smarter voice searches to real-time translations. But will it outshine competitors like Google's Gemini? Only time will tell. Apple is big on privacy, so expect on-device processing to keep your data safe. But integrating a third-party AI like ChatGPT raises questions about seamless performance and battery life. Want to try ChatGPT now? Download the app or visit chat.openai.com to see what your future iPhone might do. Keep your iOS updated for any early AI features Apple might roll out. And there you have it, insiders. ChatGPT on iPhones could redefine how we use our phones. What do you think? Siri's out, or can it fight back? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to GadInsider for more tech leaks and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Share this with your tech crew.